The rig pose is buggy. When selecting the joint, the pivot changes and the skeleton moves. Here's the solution. First, we have a properly oriented skeleton. The next step is creating some twist joints. Splitting the joints you want to modify. Adding more joints with the resample node. Those don't work right away. The resample is unparenting our elbow, and they share the same name, so the rig pose is affecting them too. Using a fuse node to solve the split elbow issue, and also creating a group. Creating a group for the start and end joints too. So now we can rename every point asterisk, but exclude the previously grouped points caret. When checking if the parents are okay, we can notice that the chain is buggy. Only by selecting, with all parameters at 0, the pivot warps and the skeleton moves. The orient should be bad, yes. But that's not bad, it's bugged. On the node info, this message shows up, discarding shears on group 0. What I found is that at some point in the chain, Houdini computes a shear that should not exist in a clean transform matrix. The corrupted matrix is not completely orthogonal, and it detects a shear that gets discarded right away. Redoing the orients is not an option, so let's see the solution. If we delete all the ats, we only have points connected by lines, so the rig pose should work. It creates the transforms on world position, but it works as expected, nothing is broken. Simply by leaving the transform attribute, the rig starts to break. So we need to get rid of alt transform, local transform, and scale inheritance. Let's check the nodes where the transform is corrupted. Everything is fine with this one, no warning, no pivot offset. Check. Another story with this one. Corrupted. So the rest of the chain is corrupted too. Now we clean the corrupted transforms and we'll create those again. We already have the main joints clean and properly oriented, so let's simply copy them. Works fine. Now let's grab the clean joints and create a proper twist orient. Nice. Now copy the twist joints transform adds to the clean chain. Finally, proper joint orientations. Note, I've tried to orient directly without the copy but it doesn't work. The last step. Just parent the joints again. Done. Nice, clean, and procedural. Follow me on IG at soul.visuals.studio.